Hello everyone. Today we will see page replacement algorithms in operating system. Now we have a fixed frame size, frame area given in the memory, and we want to place the pages from the hard disk to the memory. So which particular page is to be replaced from the frame by the page in the hard disk, that is important. For this purpose we have three page replacement algorithms. First is FIFO, that is first in first out. The second is optimal, and the third is LRU, least recently used. Let us see the implementation of these three algorithms for a particular reference string. A reference string is given as a sequence of page numbers, and we want to put these pages in the frame area. So which particular page is to be replaced, that makes the difference among these algorithms. So we'll start with the first algorithm, that is FIFO, first in first out algorithm. A reference string is given. For this example is this is our reference string. Now we want to put these pages in the frame area. So we have given a frame size as equal to 3. So 3 memory locations are available for this particular pages, and I want to put these 3 pages in this frame. Suppose we have this 7 as a first requested page number. So we put this 7 at the first place in this frame. Then we have the second request is for the 0. So we put this next. And we have the third as a 1. We put this as a next. So we are putting these pages in the memory of the frame area one by one. Now when the 2 is arriving, as the name suggests first in first out, we have to replace the 7 which is arrived first in this frame by this 2. So I will put this 2 over here and the rest as it is. Now 0 is requested, which is already there. 3 is requested. Now we are just now replaced at this location. Now we have to replace at the second location now. So rest of things as it is, and we place this 3 at the 0th place. Now 0 is again requested. So we have to put the 0 over here and the rest as it is. Now 4 is requested. So we should use the first location over here and the rest as it is. 2 is requested again. So we are just now replaced at this position. Now this is the position to replace here. So I will replace this over here. Now 3 is requested again. 2 is requested, which is already there. Now 3 is requested. So we have to put this at this position and the rest of things as it is. Now 0 is again requested. So we have to use this position and the rest as it is. 3 is requested, which is there. 2 is requested, which is also there. Now 1 is requested. So just now we are replaced at this position. So we have to put this one at this location and this as it is. 2 is requested. So I have to put this 2 at this location, rest as it is. Then 2 is requested, which is there. 1 is requested, which is also there. Now we have to replace this, the next position. So we are just now replaced at this location. Now we have to put this here and 1 and 2 like this. Now 0 is requested. So we should put it over here and the rest as it is. And 1 is requested, which is to be replaced at this location and rest as it is. So if you count the number of times the pages have to be placed in this frame, that is equal to 15. So these called as page faults. So there are total 15 page faults for this FIFO algorithm. Let us see the implementation of optimal and LRU page replacement algorithms. So we have again the 3 as a frame size. So I put this 7 initially. Then we have this 7 and then 0 and then 7, 0 and 1. So these 3 placements are as it is in the first algorithm. Now we have the 2. Now in this optimal algorithm, what we do is we will check the future. So which will be not used for a long time, that will be going to replace. So here we want to place these 2 in the frame. So we see that we have this 0 as a request and 1 as a request. 7 is quite far. So I will replace this 7 by 2 over here and the rest as it is. Now 0 is requested, which is already there. Now we have to put this 3. We see that out of this 2, 0 and 1, 0 is requested and 1 is requested recently, but 1 is quite far. So I will replace this 1 by 3 over here and the rest of the things as it is. Now we have this 0 as a request over here. So we see that 0 is already there. Now there is a request for 4 over here. So we see that out of this 2, 3 are recent request. In the future 0 is quite far. So I will replace this 0 by 4 over here and the rest as it is. Now 2 is requested which is already there. 3 is requested which is also there. Now we want to put this 0. Now in this 0 page we see that out of this 2 and 3 are just now will be required in the future, but 4 is quite far, it is not there actually. So I will replace this 4 by 0 over here and 2 and 3 as it is. 3 is requested which is also there, 2 is requested which is also there. Now comes 1. Now we see that out of this 2, 0 and 3, 2, 0 are quite near, but 3 is not there. So I will replace this 3 by 1 over here, rest as it is. 2 is requested which is also there, 0 is requested which is also there, 1 is requested which is also there. Now we want to put this 7. Now we see that out of this the 2 is not required, so I will replace this 2 by 7 and 0 and 1 as it is. Now 0 is requested, it is also there, 1 is requested which is there. So we see that there are only 9 page faults in this particular algorithm. Now let us see the implementation of LRU page replacement algorithm. As we see, the initial placements of the frames of the pages is as it is. So we put this 7, then we put this 7, then 0 and then 7, 0 and 1. Now when 2 comes, we see that which is more past. So we see that 7 is more past, so we replace this 7 by 2 over here and the 0 and 1 as it is. 0 is requested which is already there. Now 3 is requested, we see the 1 is more past, so we replace this 1 by 3, rest as it is. 0 is requested which is there. 4 is requested over here. Then we see that 0 and 3 are recent, 2 is more past, so we replace this 2 by 4, 0 and 3 as it is. 2 is requested now. So we see that 0, 4 are nearer and 3 is quite past, so replace this 3 by 2, 0, 4 as it is. 3 is requested again, we see that 4 and 2 are near and 0 is quite past, so we replace this 0 by 3 and 4 and 2 as it is. Again 0 is requested, we replace this 4 by 0 and 3, 2 as it is. 3 is requested which is there, 2 is requested which is also there. Now 1 is requested, we see that 0 is quite past, so 1 is placed at the place of 0, 3, 2 as it is. 2 is requested which is there. Now 0 is requested, again we see 3 is quite past, so replace this 3 by 0 and rest as it is. 1 is requested which is there. Now 7 is requested, so as per the 7 requirement we see that 0, 1 are nearer and 2 is quite past, so replace this 2 by 7, rest as it is. 0 is requested which is there, 1 is also there. Now we see there are total number of page faults is equal to 12. So in this case we see that the least number of page faults we see here in the optimal, we have the maximum page faults in the FIFO, that is 15. Then the second one LRU and the third is the optimal. So we say that optimal page replacement algorithm is best. And another important factor is the frame size. So frame size consideration considering this page replacement is also important. So when the frame size increases, the page faults will decrease, and if this is not followed, then there is a problem. So we should choose these page replacement algorithms carefully while implementing this memory management issues. Thank you.